Here we were at English Bay, and everybody had gathered to see the fireworks, the celebration of light. Originally named the Symphony of Fire, the celebration of light has come a long way since 1990. It is the longest running offshore fireworks competition in the world. I went along with my wife and my cousin. In 2022, the Celebration of Light celebrated its 30th anniversary. In the past, the event has only had international teams from various countries. For the first time, the event had an all-Canadian lineup, featuring teams from Yukon, Quebec, and Nova Scotia. And we were going to see the Team Quebec. As we had some time before the fireworks started, me and my wife decided to get some food, while my cousin held our spot. They had a bunch of food trucks there, and lots of yummy food. The multiple day event has an estimated annual attendance of 1.4 million people. And there was a drone show before the fireworks began. That these were the last fireworks that Vancouver hosted. And I'm glad that I saw them with my family.